Welcome back, children. We have a question. The same exercise, real numbers. Find any 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. Okay. Before solving it, always check with the question what has been given, what has to be picked out, and how to resolve it, and what could be the formula we supposed to use to solve any particular sums. So here we have two values, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. So let us take it as A and B. So two values here is A and B. A is 1 by 4 and B is 1 by 5. So in between A and B we need to find 5 numbers, 5 rational numbers. So let us assume it Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5. To find Q1 we have a formula 1 by 2 A plus B. We know the value of A plus B, it is 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So let us write it 1 by 2 within bracket 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Just check with the denominator 4 and 5. Is it same? No. So always before adding up number we need to go with common denominator. So what could be the common denominator? So 1 by 4 if you multiply with 5 you will get 20, and 1 by 5 if you multiply with 4 you will get 20. So let us take 20 as our common denominator. So write it just below the fraction. So 20, and when you are multiplying it 1 into 5 you will get 5, and 1 into 4 you will get 4. So 5 plus 4 9 by 20. So again still more steps are there. 9 by 20 has to be multiplied with 1 by 2 which is in the outside bracket, and now multiply 1 into 9 will get 9, 2 into 20 will get 40. Now the Q1 value is 9 by 40. I hope you understand this step. So carry out with the same formula, using the same formula to calculate or to value with the other numbers or other variable like Q2, Q3, Q4 and respectively. Now let us find Q2. Hope you will understand for the next variable. Now what is the formula for Q2? Same formula, that is 1 by 2 within bracket A plus, and what we have found Q1. So just replace the value Q1, Q2 instead of the same B over here. So it is not A plus B, instead whatever the value we found we have to write that variable number. So 1 by 2 within bracket, what is the A value? It is 1 by 4 plus added with 9 by 40 which we found was Q1, right? And here just have a look at it. What is the denominator? Below is 4 and 40. So we need to go with common denominator. So multiply 1 by 4 into 10 you will get 40, and make 40 as your common denominator, and the same number has to also, the top value has to be multiplied with 10. So 10 plus 9 divided by 40 you will get 19 by 40, and still more we have 1 by 2 is there outside the bracket, and write 19 by 40. Now multiply it. 19 is 19 and 240 is 80. So what is the Q2 value here? It is 19 by 80. So the same step you have to go with. Now just tell me what is the formula I should write to find Q3. Now let us find Q3. I hope you will guess it right. So it is 1 by 2. For finding Q3 value, write 1 by 2. Yes, with the bracket A plus, and what is the B should be replaced? It is replaced with Q2. Okay, right, 1 by 2. And what is the value of A? It is 1 by 4. And what is the value for Q2? Just we found it. It is 19 by 80. Now what is the next step we have to go with? We have to find common denominator as the below number 4 and 80. It is not same. So always for summing up or adding up the number we need to go with common denominator. So 80 is there. So we know when 4 table you will get 80. So when you multiply 20 with 4 you will get 80 as your denominator. Just write 80 as a common denominator, and top 20 has to multiply with 1, you will get 20 plus 19. divided by 80. Now add it up. It is easy to add it up. Now 20 plus 19 you will get 39 divided by 80. Now what is the value for Q3? And still more it is there. The half is unsolved here. So write the 1 by 2 outside the bracket value needs to be solved. And what was the value? We just found it out for finding common denominator. It is 39 by 80. 1 by 2. Multiply 39 into 1. It is 39. Multiply 80 with 2. It is 160. So what is the value here? It is 39 divided by 160. So what was the value for Q3? It is 39 divided by 160. So we found with Q3. So 3 numbers almost we found. Just 2 more number to be solved. So let us find Q4 now. So the same formula. What is the formula? I ask you to write. It is 1 by 2 within bracket A plus Q3. Shall we write it? Yes. Q4 is equal to 1 by 2 within bracket A plus Q3. Now what is the value of A is 1 by 2. A value is 1 by 4 and Q3 value we need to write over here. Instead of the place of Q3 we need to write it is 39 and divided by 160. That was the value we found it for Q3. Just rewind and check with the steps. Okay, now what do we need to check with? We need to check with the common denominator. Here it is the below value 39 by 160, but here 1 by 4. So make it 1 by 4 as 160. To make it 160 we need to multiply with 40 so that the denominator will be common. So 1 by 4 has to be multiplied with 40. So top value is 40 and divided by 160 and 39 as usual. We haven't multiplied with any number, so it will carries as it is. So 39. So what is the value now? 40 plus 39. Add it up. It is 79 and divided by 160. And what else is there? Yeah, still more the outside bracket value, still half is there. So we need to multiply with 1 by 2. What is the value? We just found it. It is 79 divided by 160. Now multiply 79 into 1. You will get 79 and 160 multiply with 2. You will get, what is the value? You will get 320. Yes, it is correct. Now 79 by 320 we got it. Now what is the value for Q4? It is 79 divided by 320. Fine. And now finally we have one more value to be solved, that is Q5. Please carry with this. Before I write it, you try to write along with me. So what is the formula here? 1 by 2 and within bracket A plus what? Yes, Q4. And we know what to write with. 1 by 2 and within bracket what could be the value for A? Yes, it is 1 by 4. That has to be commonly carried with the as usual steps what we have done before. So what is the Q4 value over here? It is 79 divided by 320 and check with the step the denominator, that is common denominator, has to be there because we need to add two fractions. For adding up two fractions the denominator has to be same. So 1 by 4 has to be multiplied with 80. When you multiply it, 1 80s are 80 and 1 80s are 80 and what is the value? Just below 4. So it is 320. You will get 320 over here. 1 by 2 and 159 and divided by 320. I hope you got the steps. Okay. Now what is there outside? 159. 159 divided by 640. When you multiply 320 with 2. So we have got Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5 respectively. The between numbers are 9 by 40, 19 by 80, 39 by 160, 79 by 320, 159 by 6 40. So this is your numbers in between Q4 and Q5 respectively. The between numbers are 9 by 40, 19 by 80, 39 by 160, 79 by 320, 159 by 640. So this is your numbers in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. Okay, let us have another sum exercise 2.1. Find 5 rational number between 0.1 and 0.11. So in between this two decimal value we need to find 5 rational numbers. 0.1 here is one decimal number. 0.11 here is two decimal number. So we can't get in between number as the decimal value is 1 decimal and 2 decimal. So we can't get values in between. So how to solve with this condition of 1 decimal value and 2 decimal value? So change this 1 decimal value by adding up 0 after 0.1. You will get 0.10 and it will be equalized as 0.11 with 2 decimal conditions. But when you look at the number 0.10 and 0.11, it's just immediate next number of 10. So in between of numbers is not possible. So no numbers in between we will get it, as it is 0.10 and 0.11. This condition we can't get 5 rational numbers. So again we need to add one more 0 just after 0.10. So that becomes 0.100 and 0.10. Now the decimal value here is equalized. So now getting in between numbers between 0.110 and 0.110 and 0.100 is easy. So we can take our right numbers 0.100, 0.101, 0.102 and 0.103 and 0.104 and 5. So like that you can write how many of numbers you want to write in between of the condition 0.100 and 0.105. So this is the answer for this problem.